a lot of times, and like they have a lot of unique units, so I enjoy working with them. And yeah, everything is bomb. Like these are like really custom made, like they come already colored, like the lace is pre-plucked. Y'all, this lace is really bomb. Like you got to get this one. Okay, so before I talk more about this, I'm going to show you guys how I put my locks in my wig. I get a lot of requests about this, so I'm showing y'all, what I'm doing. So I start off by just putting it in a low ponytail. And y'all, like, I feel like once your locks get like past your like boobs or something, like I don't know, I ain't got there yet. So this only works for like this kind of length and shorter. But yeah, so I put that in there, the wig cap on, and then y'all see I split the ponytail into two, and then I just like tuck it up in there, like, just kind of get it going. So this method keeps that front part flat, and then it keeps the locks from getting scrunched up, because normally I'll just scrunch them in there, but I found a new method of doing this. It keeps them from scrunching and bunching, which you don't want in locks because it makes it shorter. And I'm all about the length, okay? But yeah, that's what I do. And of course I use 2 wig caps for show, okay? So yeah, let's get back into this wig again, y'all. This color is really pretty. Like I don't know if this is like copper, orange, brown, red, like it's like everything. And yeah, so, and also y'all, that lace comes pre-plucked. I did not do anything to this unit but take it straight out of the box and put it on my head, like bomb. So as you can see, like the lace is pre-plucked, the lace is really stretchy, and it's I think this is HD lace, because like whatever kind of lace it is, it's really good. Okay, so another step I do is cut the ear tabs. By doing this, it helps pull the edges down, which kind of makes the wig more room for us lock bays and big head babies. Okay, so I'm using a hairspray that shall not be named, because they're canceled at the moment. No, I'm just playing, but not really though. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm installing this, and make sure that you guys brush your hair back, because if your hair is not like flat to your head, like it's gonna make your wig lift. And if you get the product in your edges, it helps like melt the lace into it. So I highly recommend to comb your hair back before you start anything. Okay, but now I sprayed another line. I think I did this off camera, or I don't know, I be editing real fast, but yeah, I sprayed another line. I did like 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 layers, and yeah, it's getting really tacky right there. So I did that, put that in that lace, and then I put the comb in. You just got to comb the product through the lace, which further helps melt it down. Like get that through there. And it like makes the hair like flat, so you can actually see the plucking that you did or they did, whoever made the wig. Okay, but you always have to pay special attention to the edges. Okay, the edges are the part that's gonna lift first. So I do like another 2-3 layers, so like 5 layers total on those edges, because that's the part that lifts up the fastest, because it's like the most tension on that part. So yeah, be extra careful and take your time. Like I said in all my videos, I kind of do it in 3. I do the middle section, and then I do the left side and the right side. And you just got to take your time, okay? This isn't an easy thing. I know this is like a 10-minute video, but this whole process probably took about like an hour. And it could have taken more. I just was trying to hurry up, because I will spend all day on a wig. Like, whew, don't get me started. But yeah, I'm cutting that lace off, y'all. I use the eyebrow razor. This is my favorite thing to cut the lace with, because you could just boop, get that on done. Okay, the lace cuts really good, and y'all, this lace was just melted already. Like before I even started doing anything, I was like super impressed with everything. So the hair came in a side part, but like, even though the lace is good, there's not that much parting space. This is like a 13x4, y'all. And like, there was like, look at that. Like, you can kind of see the track. So I didn't like, that poofiness right there. So I went in with the hot comb to try and flatten everything out. I did have to kind of repart the part. So even though this came pre-styled, it kind of wasn't pre-styled. And girl, be careful. I was burning myself up. But Yeah, anyways, what was I saying? It came pre-styled, but I kind of had to go in and style it a little bit more to my liking. It just wasn't doing it for me. I don't know, but yeah, I was trying to make it work. But I'm getting that part as flat as possible, and then I went in that bang part and added a little bit of volume to the front to get that beautiful bang that's gonna fall like that. Like, this is gonna be so cute. I did cut like a little bit more layers into it. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I just, I'm trying to look like I know what I'm doing, but I know how I want it to look, so I'm cutting it based off of how I want it to like fall or whatever. So I just cut a little bit more layers in the front. And now you guys see me combing out the baby hairs. I did do baby hairs on this, y'all. I'm getting really into baby hairs. Like, I know on my channel I used to be like, no, we don't do the chunky baby hair, but now I'm like, I'll bring it on. Like, I don't care. I'm 32, about to be 33 years old. If I want to wear some baby hair, I'm gonna wear some baby hair. Like, well, I don't get why that makes people think that you're like young or something. It's just really cute and girly. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. But anyways, I went in with this scissors and I just cut them at an angle. Cut the baby hairs at an angle, y'all. Okay, and then better long than short. If you don't know where to go, cut it a little bit longer because you can't undo it once it's cut. I'm telling you now. But now I went in with this Amazon thing that I got. This is like a little edge flat iron. It's like a really small, and it gets those edges curled up. I love doing this when I do the extravagant baby hairs, which I have been doing on like almost all my wigs now. But this just helps it to curl more. I used to not know how to do my baby hairs, but I'm saying this now. If you're one of those, I can never swoop it and all this, do this because it like pre-swoops it for you. You just need to get a gel and lay it down. Or for this one, I used mousse. Foaming mousse. I think it's the Nairobi one, the blue bottle. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Or the Lotta Body. That one works too. But yeah, I went in and put that on there, and like you see, like it's already like swooped because it's curled. Okay, so you just kind of need to, mold it and swoop it. Make it look nice. Okay, it may take a little while, and that's all right. I feel like baby hairs usually take me like a total of like 30 minutes to do just a little 4 or whatever, but it's gonna look nice, and that's all that matters. Okay, so I was working on that one, and now you guys see me working on the little sideburn one. I'm just kind of swooping it where it needs to go, and boom, it's real cute. Now I went in with these little black wrap strips, and I do that so that I can so the baby hairs can dry really flat, and then I'll comb them out for more of a fluffy look. And then I did put my little elastic band on, and y'all, I got this from Amazon. This is really cute. I wish it was like a smaller barrel. These curls were pretty big and bouncy, but it did give it volume. So I do like this tool, but I want to try a smaller one because it kind of like the hair came with like curls in it, and by me doing this is more of like a body curl. You know what I'm saying? Like a body wave, big barrel curl. I mean, it wasn't ugly or anything, but I think a smaller brush would have done what I was wanting it to do, but I had to make it work. Okay, I'd already started, so boom. And this was like the final product, y'all. Like, I did go in on that side, and I used some hairspray, and I just kind of laid that as flat as I could to get like the little side part going. I just really wanted that part flat. This hair, I will say, is very poofy, so you will need like some wax sticks and some hairspray and a lot of stuff to get it going. So as you can see, I did tuck it behind my ear. This one requires a lot of work, so I would say this one isn't beginner friendly, but when you get it, you can like make this your own. So I do really like the texture of the hair, the color, the lace. Like, y'all, I would give this wig like a 9 out of 10. My only con is just like the construction of the wig or something. Like, it's really off at the top. I don't know. Okay, I can't figure it out, but it's still cute. But anyways, after I did that, I did go in with my Ruby Kisses, y'all. The like a cream concealer or something to just kind of tint the lace because it was a little bit white. Okay, we need to lay this down. But yeah, that's what y'all see me doing here. And then I went in with some concealer in the part just to further define it. Y'all, like I said, this lace, oh my goodness, it came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything, which is like really rare with wigs these days. But this one came ready to go for the most part. But y'all, after that, I played with it a little more and, you know, got it to look like how I wanted it to look. And this is the final, you know, piece. This is really cute, really grown and sexy, sassy hair. I love when it's like really short like this. This is giving like blowout bob with a little bit of color. This is really cute because this is like my mom's favorite hair color. So she loves wigs like this. I might gift this to her because I know she's going to be like so obsessed. It's really cute and really grown, and there's a lot of body in the hair. The hair is really thick, so it's like an afro yaki texture. So it's really cute, y'all. And don't get me started on the lace. Like, I cannot stress enough how good the lace blends. Y'all see that? Like, what wig? Oh my goodness. Like, they did that. Okay. And y'all know I have locks. So again, this is big head friendly. And yeah, you need this one. Like, make sure y'all check out the link down below in the description box where it will be listed. Okay. Because you need this one and you need it today. I'm showing y'all the back, of course. Like, this one is bomb. I don't know if I want to give this one up now that I'm looking at it. I wasn't really sure at first, but you know, it grew on me. And I was like, okay, like, this is real cute. I will say my makeup was a little bit bright on this day. So I was like looking and I was feeling kind of white, but it's not too bad. You know, my under eye was just a little bit too bright or whatever. But let me quit ranting. We're talking about the wig here. But yeah, you guys, this is from I Like Hair. Make sure you guys check out my other videos for their wigs. I do have a bunch of, I've worked with this company so many times. I'm going to create a playlist and I'm going to leave it right here. Okay. So yeah, make sure y'all check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. Okay. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know something. Okay, shoot, anything will do. A comment here and there keeps me smiling. Okay. But yeah, that is all, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.